Intermas is the world's leading manufacturer of geosynthetic drainage components by using state-of-the-art extrusion and post-processing systems. During our more than 60 years of history, we have supplied our products to more than 27,000 customers worldwide, from our 5 production and logistics facilities, reaching the largest industrial capacity in the sector. Since the 90s, we have developed several specialized technical solutions from the Intermas Geosynthetics division, covering different needs such as erosion control, reinforcement of environmental structures, mining and civil works. Our engineering team offers a customized service for each project, fulfilling every requirement which may not be satisfied by the conventional systems, while delivering innovative and cutting-edge solutions within the geosynthetics industry. Our solutions provide cost-effective and environmentally sustainable systems, reducing the costs and risks. We count with a large experience of more than 80 million square meters of our drainage geonets and geocomposites successfully supplied and installed in many projects across the globe, providing us with many world references. Our wide product portfolio allows us to propose solutions within the waste management area, focused on technical solutions for safe and long-term contention systems while satisfying the following tasks: main and secondary leachates drainage, biogas draining, groundwater and seepage draining, fluids filtration, water protected by means of waterproof geomembrane, protection and erosion control of vegetated slopes and strengthening of unstable slopes. This is all thanks to our products.